Hello everyone, it's me Amul Sharma back again with my new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how can you add your own like application showing code in our your sorry your Python code. Okay, this since it's been 15 days since I'm not uploaded any kind of video on my YouTube channel. It is because I'm working on this Gita project provided by this con. Yes, this project, let me show you how it's work. I'll just it run my own one local server. I'm working on this project. Let me just give you some brief idea. Okay, this project is basically about Bhagavad Gita. You can read it from here. Okay, it's been take so much time to build this. So this single project was handled by itself me. Okay, in this project. You will see everything about Bhagavad Gita related. Okay, this is entirely made by coder Amul Sharma. Okay, and then after you need to this is all responsive. Okay, whenever you type someone, it will just automatically send to my email address, and this all thing made by me. And then after this is all information you can go, and this website will be live on soon on ISKCON website, so don't miss out. And I have just created few translation for these people, and this this is from this Kalki movie, and I have just summarized the whole thing. And then after took so much time and effort. And then after when you click this, and whenever you click on chapter part, you will see an slok and meaning, its meaning on English. So if you have any kind of project to build like your college project, otherwise tell me, I will build in very cheap price. Okay, this now first slok, like first chapter has been completed. Now I need to add 700 slok, remaining slok. And then after you can see my admin panel also. Admin panel, this I've created entire by myself. Admin panel, all how many user are there. One user is me, not active, and admin is active. You can share my social media account all over. Let's stop this bullshit and talk about our project. Okay, our project is basically on, I just forgot about my cloning project. So it will be mainly available after I completed this Gita project. So let me go my on this, and then after open. Okay, since it's become 15 days, I'm not update or doing any kind of work due to this some problem. Okay, I'm going to add application system. Okay, how does this application system work actually? Okay, this is I just want to create some random thing. Then after, how application system work? Okay, in Python. Okay, basically most of the people know that how application system, just like I'll give just brief information. Like this is my ID, and then after this is my password. Okay, like this it is password. And then after your have you seen this active IDs? Then after like FF COC, and then after POPG. Okay, with date. Okay, with date. Okay, and then after if you see on, you can write anything. Okay, on active IDs. And then after you will see just like TikTok, and then after Insta, and like this all this stuff. How this application system will work? Okay, I've just copied. I'm not going to write that code again. I've just copied. I just already built that code. Oh, sorry. I just written in my WhatsApp. Okay, I'll just simply copy, and then after I'll just paste here. Okay, this one, this is basically beautiful soap, means web scraping. I need to import this beautiful soap. Simply I will copy, and then after Control Shift N, I'll simply go its original documentation and copy its layout. Okay, this is for basically like what we say. This is basically for what web scraping method. Okay, this is basically web scraping method, means you just scrape the, sorry, scrape the scrape the data scrape the data from the fetch the data from the website, and give some HTML code for our website is all done in backend. So no need to worry. Okay, it is working. Why it's showing error? Okay, function beautiful is not defined. Okay, why it is not defined? Let me just copy, control B. Okay, why it is not defining? Okay, it is defining some kind of error. It just say whenever the problem variable is not defined. Okay, let me just define it again. Away from BS4, let me just define beautiful. So I will just paste here as soap. Okay, from BS4, base4 import beautiful. This already installed. This is some kind of problem. Okay, then after people think that by pasting or writing this Morse code only will get your IDs like this. Okay, this is wrong information basically. So what you need to do that, just look at the top part. Okay, how we have, if you have defined this season cookies. Okay, you need to just see that part and go to your down to your method part. Okay, see here in method part you need to define your cookie system, sorry, that what means application system. Okay, you need to put in correct way. Okay, so it will just work in your like what we call, so it will work without putting in right side. It will work, oh sorry, when you put this in right side it will work, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so you need to put a downside of the OK's ID. Oh sorry, in my I think I have defined just like this, check APK. Okay, check APK, and then after you need to paste here. Okay, many people think that by writing this much only it won't work, by writing season then after we have written cookies, but actually how it's work, that where it is your key value. Okay, in your cookies. Okay, in your cookies it is your key value, so you need to copy your cookies and paste it out here, then it will work. It will work. Okay, whenever you paste it out. Okay, if you want to like add date, it will automatically add it. You first watch the structure of the code. Okay, I just written in my WhatsApp channel. First of all, what's the structure of the code? Okay, what is just say that when it will go to this side, and it will just simply scrap the that side, and from in HTML side it will just work in backside, and then after, so this is I'm not like made this entire part. I've just found in GitHub page and copy. I've made this better than this one. Okay, this old version I've make new version, and simply go and chat GPT and fix and update my, just ask for that, it will update your entire code. Okay, update and fix, I'm writing in. Okay, it will just fix and update your code. Okay, I don't recommend it to use ChatGPT, because ChatGPT uh, like it will just update like in random way. Okay, not as you want to way. Okay, it is simply remove this part. Okay, mm buying this mouse or doing this mouse only it will work. Okay, and then after changing this language you will good to go. And then after you can see here from tinker import, and no need to import, and this is for my color I think. And then after, so what, when you copy some this code, it will just paste you error, just like many people don't know what does, and though whenever they click on quick fix, it will says that from import just like import n. Okay, what does n means? I think ends mean color. Okay, let me just define some random color to n. Okay, whenever I click on sorry, n is equals to, and then I'll just simply copy this code and paste out here, and look, the error has been gone. Okay, this is basically an color. Okay, so you need to be really careful while doing this kind of code, like copying from other side. And okay, and then after just paste simply like this here, this part app check cookies. Okay, if you return cookies to cookie or cookie, it depends upon on you. Okay, so for this video this much only. If you want to ask anything about my personal life or anything, you can just ask me, and I'm building my own resume here. So look, tell me how it's working, bro. It's like I have little bit knowledge of C, Bootstrap, MongoDB, Django, and Python. I don't have knowledge about JavaScript and React. Really, I'm telling you, I don't have any. I am just tell you. Oh no, 3.26 not. I have 3.80 GPA in my class 12 program. Then after I work in mentor as a Greek, 1 year. Then after I left, and I'm just working as a internship in free internship I have got. And then after this is my class 10 I've got 3.4. It is less. Okay, I'm just passionate Python developer. You can just contact on my email, or you can just go on my LinkedIn and search here. Oh, this don't look at this my profile. Okay, this is my old profile like 2 years ago.